Hey beautiful, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. I'm gonna show you what Tones sent me. They sent me some PR, but this one, you guys, I already know what it is, but I'm gonna open it on screen with you to share. It is their new Radiance Guard single-use biodegradable hand sunscreen wipes for UV protection. That's a lot. That was a lot. But here is their little pamphlet, and they have it in English and in Spanish. But I got a free sample to try so that I could share it with you, you guys. I do have an affiliate link and code that I will leave in the description box for you. The code gives you 15% off. And you guys, this is something that we need. This is revolutionary, okay? You can stack these on your desk and you just apply it after your client washes her hands and do your nail art, and then have her pop them in the UV lamp or your your nail lamp, and it just provides an extra oomph. It's like a quality thing that you could add to your service, you guys. This is amazing. But we're gonna follow the instructions. I just wanted to show you how cute the pods are. You're gonna start by shaking well. It says to shake really well, so this is what I'm gonna do here. And then you're gonna place the pod on a flat surface and then press the center of the pod firmly. All right, so once you shake it up really well, for my long nail girlies, you're just going to use your knuckle, okay? Because I realized that I couldn't do it. So just use your knuckle, and you don't need to press that hard, you guys. I don't know what I was trying to do, but you're going to feel a little pop, and then you're going to release it. Now that I know better, I was trying to read it as I was going. But you're going to release it, and then the wipe is going to rise and soak up all of that goodness into it. And you just basically wait until the wipe has fully emerged. That's what it says on there. And then you will retrieve it and then apply to your hands literally 15 minutes before UV exposure, which, you guys, that's perfect because I'm going to explain why. But look how cute. You can literally see it popping up. So as your client's washing your hands after you're done with everything, you're going to be doing this process. And then when she comes back, you apply it. And then you do your nail art that gives it, the time to really soak in, which is the 15 minutes. And then you start telling her, to pop in the lamp, and you're giving her that protection that she needs. This is a highly discussed topic as far as nails and exposure to UV lamp with nail lamps. So you guys, this is amazing. This is really amazing, and I'm really proud to be able to share it. So thank you to Tones for sending it to me, for allowing me to share it to you guys. And yeah, and now you guys can add a really nice, basically step up your service by being able to add this to your process, okay? It is all about the client, you guys. We are protecting them, protecting ourselves. Even if you do your own nails, this is amazing. So now when I do start to apply it, you can just place the wipe on your hand and just dab it on. I was just rubbing it. I don't know why. I felt like my hands needed some really good exfoliation. So I was doing it this way, but you can literally just, dab on the formulation or the liquid, and it's nice and saturated, which I really like. And you can see that it's even adding, that moisture in there. And you will see here, you see how it looks nice and moisturized. It's really cool. And you see the mark on my knuckle. Why was I going in so hard? I don't know why I did that, but I want to show you how big the wipe is. So your clients can actually just put both hands out, and you can lay it right over their hands, and then just like press and press and press and get that liquid in there, that protection. You got the SPF 30, and you can just dab it on there just like this. And yeah, so amazing. I don't know, I feel like I'm speechless, you guys. It's really amazing. See how it soaked up all the liquid? And yeah, so I just want to show you the pods, and they're stackable, really cute. And it's just, like I said, it's really good to be able to add to your service. Here I show you the ingredients so that you are certain, and I love that it gives you the instructions. It is very simple. And these are the pods separately and together. They're stackable, so you can have them right to your right so that you have them available to you. And also, since we are showing some, some tones, PR, some stuff that they sent me, I'm going to go ahead and just show you. They have their glow in the dark collection, which is really cute. Now for Halloween, we are kind of getting like kind of close. And then the I'm Alive, the lilac, you guys know that's my favorite color. Beautiful. I can't wait to actually try to use it, or use it for a set. So that is it. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget the link in the description. Give you 15% off and my code. Again, thank you to Tones for sending me your products and this amazing revolutionary product. It's going to be amazing, you guys. Let me know if you try it out. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.